Hey guys, what is up? So I have a special thanks came today from a woman named Maria. Her channel is called Sweet Insanity. You should go check out her channel. Her link to her channel will be in the bottom of the description. But hopefully you can see the Sweet Insanity. Coming up here. I know what it is, but I'm here to unpackage it with you. I want to thank her. And I forgot the other person's name that was involved with it that she collaborated with. I want to thank that person and her for sending me this. I haven't seen it yet, and I know for a fact that it's going to be cute. So yeah, let's get started with this. And also thank you again for sending me this. This is so awesome. Thank you. Let's do this. Here's scissors. Scissors. Also, I'm gonna start coloring this t-shirt, and this is like a little vinyl stormtrooper head that you can buy at Walmart for like $10. You get the paint and stuff. It's gonna be pretty cool. So let's get to her package. I can't wait to see what it is. Where should I open? Let's open up here. It is pretty secured very good. That's cool. That's good. Thank you. Oh, I already love it. Dingy box. Haha. Wow. So here it is, guys. It is pretty cool. I like it. I wasn't really going to put it outside, so yeah, I'm going to keep it inside with all my other stuff that's like this. This is pretty cool. Let me show you a different angle. I love the colors, I love how you painted it, and you signed it. Cool. I think everybody that makes art and stuff, or whatever you want to call it, they should always sign it somewhere so you know, so other people don't take your stuff. But this is so cool. I can't thank you enough for this little birdhouse. I'm so glad I was able to get one from you. Oh, there's my boy Harry. Say hi, Harry. But thank you so much again. I'm not going to stop saying thank you. But thank you so much for this little birdhouse. It is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. And I will cherish it.
How far do you want me to go with this?